Greetings, everybody. My name is Lorenzo Perello for Computer Science 110, and I'm going to be going over Lab 2.2 on simple algorithms. First, figuring out how long it takes for light from the sun to reach Earth. To do so, once I've put in the basic information, the algorithm shows that it takes a certain amount of time to reach the Earth. And to do this, we need to do calculations. Once we put the input of how long it takes for sun's light to reach Earth, we have five values here. Light speed, 3 times 10 to the power of 8. Travel distance, 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11. Time, travel distance divided by light speed. Minutes, time, double divided by 60. And seconds, time divided by 60. Percentage, which is the remainder, in that whatever value is left over after we divide is going to be the number of seconds. And as for minutes, same idea, but not remainder. It'll be the closest whole value of integer. And to show that integer, after we print out these formulations, the format here, integral, will show it as a whole number. Otherwise, it would be shown as a float value, point zeros and so forth. Now, once we run it, we get, for light from the sun to reach Earth, it travels over 1.50 e plus 11 meters at 3.00 e 08 meters per second. At this rate, said light will reach Earth in 500 seconds, or 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The second part of this is to show the discount price of any type of item in a store. Now for this one, what we're doing is we're giving an initial price, and we're first going to increase that price by 20%, and then take that price, decrease it by 20%, which is the discount, and then we're going to see the difference between the initial price we got and the final changed reduced price, or discount price, as it is. So, in this case, just like before, we have 5 pieces after we have the start. But what's important in this case is because we're using money value, we need to do float input in order to establish it as a float value. Once we do that, and illustrate all the pricing as this, 0.20 is 20%, and then the new item is the start plus price raise, and so on and so forth, we have these parts. You first print, and the format is the original price, $, format, start, 0.2f, which shows that there will be 2 zeros after the dot, which is the same thing as what you get with money. And this format is followed throughout the whole piece. Once we run it, say the price that you're given for something is $200. There, you see that the original price is $200, and then once you apply an extra 20%, that price rose to $240. Then, when you give a discount, the price is reduced to $192. And then from the beginning to the end, that price reduction is $8. Now to show how this works with something a little simpler, we can run the program again. And this time say $100. 20% of 100 is 20. 100 plus 20 is 120. And then 20% of 120. 20 minus that 120 is 96. And then what we have, the difference is $4. So we know this works. And those are the two simple algorithms which illustrate that we have input variables and instructions. What's essential is to make sure that the format shows where we need to put scientific value, float values, and integral values in order to express our information in a manner that makes the most sense. Thank you for joining me. This is Lorenzo Prella for CSC 110. Have a wonderful evening.